Hi, welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We will talk about EFT Pro activation. EFT Pro you can active without dongle. I mean no need dongle, just a online activation, EFT Pro online activation. So how to active the EFT Pro online activation without dongle? First of all, you have to download the EFT Pro software. So go to asunlocker.com. You can download EFT Pro software from Asunlocker server service. You can see here the EFT dongle activation and renew service here. It is the EFT Pro activation, no need dongle. Here you can see EFT Pro tool, no need dongle, 1 year plan, free iCloud bypass also. This tool also support iCloud bypass, totally free, unlimited iCloud bypass, no need credit. It is yearly activation, just 1 year activation. Download from here, download update version. You can see here the EFT Pro dongle update. EFT Pro dongle, it is. Click on download. To downloading. You can see the tool is downloading. Wait until download completed. You can see here the tool download completed. Go to folder. I will take it in desktop. EFT Pro here. You can see. Unzip the file. With 7 GB or WinRAR you can use any. You can see the unzip done. You can see here the EFT Pro. It is the EFT Pro application. No need to install, just open the tool. I have already logged in others account. You can see the EFT Pro tool. So you can use with dongle, without dongle. If you have dongle, click here on dongle. Dongle is not connected. If you have no dongle, so select the account option. I mean you have only account. So go to click on register. Type here your email. That's email you want to register for EFT Pro. I want to active this email. You can see here email. If you want to register your own account, so type here your own email, then type here your own password that's you want. You can type any password. Click on register. You can see the registration successfully. Contact your reseller to active your account. If you want to log in here, you will get a message, account need activation from reseller. You can see. So how to active now? Go to Asunlocker again, log in your account here. If you have no account, so register first, then refill your account, then try log in your account. The username password is incorrect. Let me solve my account first. Account logged in, done. Click on order now and select the server service. Click on choose. Type here your service name that you want. I mean EFT Pro tool, no dongle, one airplane, free iCloud bypass. You can see here the type here your email that has been already registered. I have registered here. You can see this is my email. I have type here the same email. Then order now. Click on order now. Your server order has been successfully placed. You can see. Go to order history and server service. You can see here that your order done or not. When your order will be completed, you can see as like completed. So at just 1 to 2 minutes maximum, it will be done automatically. When it will be completed, you can log in your account on EFT tool. We can check again. We have wait already 1 or 2 minutes has gone. So we can check again from order history. Click on order history. Select the server service. You can see completed, activated successfully. You can see here that this email activated successfully. So we can check the tool, login. Yes, it's completed and we can log in now. So you can use to bypass iCloud. You can see here the Apple option. You can check here the your phone is connected or not. Then go to iCloud. Bypass hello screen normal mode, phone connected normal mode after jailbreak. Then click on start button. It will be a bypass and it will be active as a normal mode. You can use this phone. If have no MEID, you can use SIM. If have MEID, so you cannot use SIM. You can also use this tool for MTK, Qualcomm, and Huawei, Samsung, and generic. Huawei also you can reset FRP, recovery mode, flash, and boot recovery, unbrick, reset screen lock, Huawei ID, anything you can do. That's you want. Also Samsung IMEI repair, you can roam edit and boot recovery, and you can remove demo mode also by this tool. Thanks for watching my video, and you will be glad for this video, I hope. And you will use asunlocker.com to buy any service, and you will be glad also for using asunlocker.com. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe our channel, and share your opinion in comments box. If you need anything, you can also contact with us via WhatsApp. Thanks a lot.